Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 18th of January. And first of all, national news. Ramlala's silver idol carried around temple premises on day 2 of rituals. India has outpaced many developed nations in ship turnaround time. PM Modi. Naveen Patnaik inaugurated Heritage Corridor at Puri's Jagannath Temple. Navy to showcase Atmanirbhar Bharat, women power at Republic Day parade. Think Tank CPR got foreign funding for undesirable purposes. Sources. President skipped Assam event as bad weather grounds chopper for 4 hours in Shillong. For Ram Temple, stones specially chosen, tested, will last an eternity. And now some international news. Targeted terror group, not Pak nationals. Iran reacted to big claim. Pakistan expelled Iran ambassador after airstrike recalled envoy from Tehran. Study said China experimenting with deadly virus. Experts said this madness must be stopped. Apple overtook Samsung as world's top phone maker in 2023. Over 800 flights grounded, trains hit as heavy snow paralyzes Germany. Iran attacked Pak's Balochistan hours after top leaders met in Davos. China's economy grew at 5.2%, its slowest rate in over 3 decades. Israel-Hamas reached 3-month deal to get medicine to Gaza's hostages. Now some sports news. Error-prone Kidambi Shrikant goes down in India Open opener. Sachin Tendulkar praised R. Pragnananda for becoming India's #1 men's chess player. Sue Redfern to be first ICC-appointed female neutral umpire for bilateral series. After fighting short against Australia, India gear up for tough Uzbekistan game. Now business-related news. The finance minister will present an interim budget in the parliament on February 1. Google to globalize UPI, help establish similar payment systems abroad. Finance minister presented the economic survey a day before the budget. Now news related to science. Scientists discovered superstructure in Pacific Ocean that has been growing since dinosaur age. And that's all in news. Thank you.